Hey y'all! So today we're going to read another book written by Kevin Henkes, and it's called Sheila Ray the Brave. Now I also have the book we read yesterday called Chester's Way on here, because for your activity today you are going to be comparing and contrasting them. So on the next page I have both recordings. I want you to listen to both stories. Even though you listened to Chester's Way yesterday, you need to refresh your memory about it a little bit so you can compare and contrast it to Sheila Ray the Brave. Now, after you are finished listening to the recordings, you're going to do the activity. Comparing and contrasting just means that you're finding ways that the books are similar and ways that they're different. So here's a compare and contrast chart for you to use. The first thing we're going to do is compare the two books, ways that they're similar. So the first thing I'm going to write, and now I'm not going to put the correct answers on here because I don't want you to just copy what I write down. So what I'm writing down is not correct. You may want to use something similar, but do not copy what I'm writing down because I'm just trying to give you a quick example. But I'm not going to give you the correct answers, okay? So, Sheila Ray the Brave and Chester's Way. The first, you're going to find a couple ways that they're similar. So I may say that they are both about friends. All right, and I'm going to find a second way that they are similar, and I might say they both take place underwater. Now, obviously, you know that that is not true. Remember, I am not putting the correct answers. I'm just explaining how to do the activity, so don't copy what I'm writing. Okay, so I found two ways that they're similar. Now underneath I have some contrast boxes. And in the middle of the contrast boxes I have a box that say characters and problem. Because those are the two things that I want you to focus on finding the differences between these books. So the first one that you're going to do is you are going to contrast the characters. So tell me about how the characters are different in the books. So on this box, you're going to talk about Chester's Way, and on this box, you're going to talk about Sheila Ray the Brave. So if I was going to say, let's delete these words. My first thing I'm contrasting was about the characters. So I may say that the character who helped Chester try new things was ... And you would finish that, okay? So I would say a way that it's different over here, and then over here for Sheila Ray the Brave, I would talk about the character also, and maybe the character in Chester's Way who helped him try new things was a giant. We know that's obviously not true. So then maybe there was something different in Sheila Ray the Brave. The character who helped her try new things was a snake. Now, again, obviously that's not true, but you can see I then contrasted. I found a difference in the characters between the books. Now I'm going to find a difference in the problem. So down here, I'm going to say Chester's problem was that he was afraid of heights. Again, that's not true. Just showing you an example. Now down here, oops, I'm going to go down by where it says problem, and I'm going to say Sheila's problem was that she was nervous for hockey. So, yes, there was a problem in both books, but the problem was different. So this is what your finished product should look like, except with different words, because these are not correct. So you're going to find 2 ways that the books are similar, and then you're going to find a difference in the characters and a difference in the problems. And then you're all done. Great job.